In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide candles in TradingView, full guide. By the end, you'll know a simple, reliable way to remove candle clutter from your workflow using TradingView's screener controls and then bring things back gradually so you can compare differences with a clear head. Start by opening TradingView in your browser. Give the page a moment to load so all the tools are available. We're going to work from the screener view because it replaces the busy candlestick chart with a clean tabular layout, which is perfect when you want to temporarily hide candles and focus on data. Click on Screeners. Depending on your layout, you'll see options like Stock, Crypto, or Forex Screener. Any of these works for this demonstration. The key idea is that the screener shows symbols in a list, not as candles, which instantly reduces visual noise and makes it easier to control what appears on screen. Now click on Symbol inside the screener. This opens the filter associated with symbols, exchanges, or categories, depending on which screener you're in. Think of this as the switchboard for what's allowed to appear. The symbol control is where you decide exactly what the screener is allowed to display, and by extension, what you won't see as candles while you refine your view. Unselect all. Clearing everything is a quick way to hide it all at once. You're not deleting data or changing any instrument. You're simply telling TradingView not to show any symbols in the screener. With nothing selected, the list remains empty, which effectively removes candle distractions from your workspace and lets you concentrate on criteria, metrics, or setup notes without a chart pulling your attention. Click it one by one to bring items back selectively. Add a single category or symbol at a time. This deliberate pace is important. It lets you see exactly what reappears with each choice and keeps your view clean while you evaluate. If your layout links the screener to a chart, you'll notice that only the items you reintroduce will be available to load, keeping candles hidden until you intentionally allow something back in. Do this so you can see the difference. By comparing an empty list to a carefully rebuilt one, you'll understand precisely what's visible and what stays hidden. This approach is non-destructive, fully reversible, and great for analysis sessions where you need to remove bias, declutter your screen, and then reintroduce symbols methodically. Take your time, watch how the screener responds to each selection, and use that clarity to make better,